Imagine transforming your team's dynamics, not in weeks or months, but within just 48 hours. Welcome to the realm of accelerated team building, a strategy that promises to revolutionize how you foster connections and productivity within your team. In today's fast-paced business world, time is a commodity we cannot afford to waste. The 48-hour rule, a groundbreaking team-building strategy, is the secret weapon for C-suite leaders eager to cultivate a cohesive, motivated, and dynamic team in record time. The 48-hour rule is a focused approach to team building where leaders and team members engage in intensive, structured interactions over 2 days. These activities are designed to break down barriers, align goals, and establish a strong foundation of trust and communication. We delve into the core components that make the 48-hour rule effective: shared experiences, open communication, goal setting, and feedback loops. Each element is tailored to fast-track the team bonding process, ensuring every minute counts. Through captivating case studies, we explore how diverse companies have implemented the 48-hour rule to overcome challenges, enhance teamwork, and achieve remarkable results. From tech startups to multinational corporations, the impact is universally positive, fostering environments where innovation and collaboration thrive. Learn practical strategies for applying the 48-hour rule within your own team. From planning and preparation to execution and follow-up, we guide you through each step to ensure your team-building initiative is a resounding success. Strong teams are the backbone of any successful business. By embracing the 48-hour rule, you're not just investing in team building, you're accelerating your path to unparalleled productivity, unity, and innovation. The clock is ticking. It's time to transform your team dynamics like never before. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 48-hour rule. For more insights and strategies on enhancing your leadership and team dynamics, subscribe to our channel. Together, let's build stronger, more resilient teams that are poised for success in the ever-evolving business landscape. Remember, the strength of your team today dictates your success tomorrow. Start the clock on your team's transformation now.